Hi everybody, this is Dumb Dad again, and I am bringing you another video, and I'm day trading again. This time I'm on the Euro USD, and it is setting itself up pretty nicely here for a sell trade. Here, right now, the yellow lines are going up, so that is not a good signal for me. These lines are up above an 8, so that is a good signal for me for it to drop. And red is on top, so if I can get these lines to start dropping, that will be a good signal for me to do a sell trade. I've changed these indicators over here to a 15-minute chart. This chart is 5 minutes, and this chart is a 1 minute. Oh, here we go. It is starting to drop. Let's see if we want to get in. I think I want to wait 2 minutes for the next candle here. And if this starts to drop here, if this breaks that blue line, and if this red stays on top, I am going to place a sell order. Sometimes I like to just try and get in right here, but you can see that it bumped and then it jumped all the way up. So I need to be patient. That is something that I've been learning. Be very patient. So let's just watch these charts here and see if we can get a winning trade. The other thing is I'm waiting for a red candle to drop below both of these pressure lines. The red pressure line is saying that there's more people that want to sell. The price is probably going to drop. This indicator line is also telling me that red line on top means there's more sell pressure. These are kind of pointing down. They're not quite there yet. And then this one is not pointing down. So I'm waiting for that light yellow line to start going down. And I think it probably will. We're going to wait a minute 13 seconds to see whether it's going to drop. So I'm just going to go back through what I know about these pressure lines. This is the TNTs. This is the chart that tells me whether it's going to be going in or out of the channel. And this down here is my pressure lines. I think this is majors and minors. I think that's what they call them. Anyway, I'm getting training from a company called University Day Trading University. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to try this out, they'll give you an opportunity to play around with this kind of an account, and you can try it out for yourself. So let's see how this is doing here. I've only had maybe 5 sessions so far, and so I'm learning little by little all the time. I feel like I'm doing okay, but some days I don't do as well as others. And you've got to be prepared to lose some of your trades and win some of your trades. So let's see what else I can do here. So I see some lines here that I think I probably ought to mark. There's a line here. Here's a line here. And then maybe a line here. These are some, it looks like the market kind of bounced off of these different sections of the trading day. So I want to just mark those so I kind of see when they're coming in and out of this thing. All right, here we go. This is it. Everything is pointing down. Let's do a sell trade. So this one is now pointing down. This one is pointing down. These are going down into the, you see that? It's falling now down into the channel. I was late getting in here. Look how far down I did my sell trade. This red line is also on top, so I should have a good trade here. Let's see how far it's going to go. If it gets down to this line right here, that's where it had kind of a stop there. I think I'll probably sell it right there. See, I should have, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I go in too early, and maybe I went in too early here. But let's see what this looks like. It's still, all these indicators are still looking good. My yellow line is going down. My majors and minors are going down. My pressure, red, is on top. So that's that's still a good indication that this has got a, a further way to go. It is not done dropping. But look, it's gone up for quite a while here, so there's always that fear that it's going to continue to go up instead of drop down. Let's see where my there's my stop loss clear up there. I think I'm going to move that stop loss down because that's really high. Let's see if I get in here. Can I move that down? Yeah, I can move that down. Let's move it down to there. That looks pretty good. So I've got a 25 take profit. I've got a 39 stop loss. So if it goes up above that, then I want to get out. Maybe that's where I should put my stop loss. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still learning. So we are not doing good right now. We're down $55. But my indicators, they are still all kind of showing a downward movement. So I'm going to be patient as I'm doing this recording. Being patient. It's starting to drop a little bit there. So I want these to drop way down below an 8. It is up above an 8, so that is not good. This pressure line, I like to see this one coming down more. So let's see what happens in 1 minute 31 seconds and see if it gives me an indicator of selling. Sorry, I got popcorn in my teeth. I should probably step away from the camera when I've got popcorn in my teeth. You're just being patient. Oh, that's only, the ATR is only 13. Boy, maybe that's all the movement it was going to make before it's done. Or it may have already dropped all that it was going to drop. Again, just need to be patient. It could go down as far as this. This is where it kind of hit a pressure line. So I'm hoping that it'll drop down to there. That would be nice little profit if it drops clear down to here. All right, these indicators are all telling me it's going down. This one's going down. Red is still on top, down on my pressure lines, so that is good. I think we're still looking good. Just got to be patient. I'm one of those guys that likes to just watch every second of it, and maybe I shouldn't be. Maybe I should walk away and let it do its thing. Because if it just does its thing, then I don't worry about it. It's not, I don't know. I stress out about it, I guess. If you're a person where you have a lot of stress, maybe this isn't for you. But I like it. It's like playing a video game, I think. I get in here. I'm trying to win this game here. It's dropping into the channel now, which is good. This one is slowly turned down a little bit, so I'm hoping that it will continue. So 4 minutes away till the next, 1 minute away for the next candle here. It is a little bit lower. I'm negative $48 right now. Losing $48. Now I'm losing 40. So hopefully this indicators here are going to help me win this next trade. Here we go. A couple of the other things that I learned in my last couple of coaching sessions was that that I should be careful about my stop losses, make sure I always have a stop loss, and that maybe I don't have to have a 30 point take profit. So I'm starting to get better at my stop losses and take profits. I think sometimes I put my stop loss too low, and so it goes up and it hits it too soon, and then I lose money immediately. So I've been trying to be a little bit more careful about where I put my stop loss, because you don't want it to put it too high either, because if it does go crazy out above what your stop loss is, then you just lose money. Okay, now I'm only losing $8 now, so that's good. We might be getting into this one. It's still dropping. Here are my signals. They're all telling me that it's dropping. Red is still on top, so that's good. I just need to get below my buy spot right there. Oh, see? And it's, for some reason, it's scared of it. I think I've talked about this before in some of my trades. I feel like as soon as I get in, the market's like, okay, I'm going the other way. Did you see, like right here? I bought in right there, and what did it do? It immediately went up. Instead of when I buy in, it immediately goes down the way I want it to. I don't know why. I think the market is just watching my trades and then just saying, all right, Clint just got in. Well, let's do the opposite of what he wants to do. So it bounced off. It bounced right off of my zero, right where I bought in. Instead of dropping way down and giving me the peace of mind that, hey, I'm already winning. Nope, it doesn't want to do that. It's going to bounce off of my line right there. So it is kind of in a downward motion. So I do like that. So look at this. Oops. Let's see if I can do that. No, it's not gonna. Oh, there we go. So there we go. We've got a downward line. I think that's not bad. So it should be going down. I think that's what this indicator is also showing, that it is in a downward motion. This one is also in a downward motion. Well, my 5-minute isn't. I don't want it to go above this, because then that's going to change the direction of where this market is going. So let's just be patient and not get out of it, even though we're losing $36. It's in consolidation. It's just bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. So it's either going to bounce up above this line here, or it's going to crash down below. So I'm hoping, let's put another line in here. So here's my line. So here is the triangle it's creating. I've kind of learned that from other stuff. So I'm hoping that instead of breaking up, it breaks down. And I don't know whether I'm talking about the right stuff or not. Like I said, I'm new. I am not a professional day trader yet. I'm working on it. That's why I do this, is to learn and to grow. That is another thing I learned, is that you've got to put in the trades. You've got to take the time. You've got to put in the trades and learn and learn and learn. So that is what I'm doing right now, is learning. Okay, it's still following my trend here with my two triangle lines here. Let's see what it's going to do. I hope it breaks down instead of breaks up. Oh, this doesn't look good. See, this indicator right here is telling me the price might be going back up. This indicator is also telling me the price is going back up. Oh, these are also telling me. Do you see that? It just broke through my line. That's not good. Not good. Maybe I could change this trajectory a little bit. There we go. Okay. There we go. If it breaks through, I'll just give it a new standard to hit. Hopefully it goes down from here. Oh, this pressure is still, I'm unsure here. Red is on top, so that is a good indication. All right, here we go. Here we go. Maybe it's gonna fall back down here. I'm hoping it does. How many minutes have we been going here on this on this video? 15 minutes. All right, come on. I want to get out of here. This is my lunch hour, so I don't have a ton of time to sit here and watch. Minus $48. I mean, it did come down and hit my zero marker, but I need it to drop way below the zero. Oh, it just popped above. Oh, there we go. That's what I don't want to see. That's what I don't want to see. See that? It just broke above my triangle. These are now indicating prices going up. This is my only saving grace right here, is this red line here telling me, hey, there's still a lot of people that want to sell out there. There's pressure to sell. But now I'm $88 in the hole. And these indicators are now headed up. So do I have enough patience, or do I want to get out now before it goes clear up here? Maybe I should move my stop loss. Maybe I should move my stop loss down so I don't lose so much. So I'm already losing 88 bucks. Let's move it down to 35. Ah, not good. Not good, people. Oh, it's not good. No. Come on. I need you to fall again. $103 loss. $100 loss. Come on. Come on. I'm hanging in there. I'm being patient. But this line is no longer relevant. This line is no longer good. That's not good. I need it to drop. Like I said, I mean, if I lose this one, you'll get to see my losses as good as my wins. This might be one of my losses. I've been posting a lot of wins. I've felt pretty lucky when I go live trading. I seem to win. Oh, the patience is paying off. Let's see if it's gonna head back down. My red is still on top. That's my saving grace right here. But it is getting close to just crushing me. Getting close to crushing me. Come on, we want to go down. There we go. Another good move down. Let's go. Okay. Should affect my indicators here. These should start coming back down again. We just need a big drop like that. 2 of these. Just give me 2 of this line right here, and I'll be happy. Now, ooh, there we go. Hey, it's listening to me. I think it's listening to me. There's another good move down. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, come on. Needs to break through this line right there, which not going to be easy. But we're getting closer. Look at that. We're at a minus 20, minus 16. Is it going to drop all the way down? These haven't even turned yet. This is turned around. That's nice. My red is still on top. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Negative 12. Negative 16. I have a feeling it's going to stop right there and turn around and go back up again. That's my feeling. But my hope is that it continues to drop. I need to go below this line. Here we go. Our negative 4. Look, We just had some patience and it's starting to turn around. There we go. That's a profit. We're looking at a profit now. We're at zero, I mean. We're at zero. We did have a profit. Come on. See how it's just stuck right on that line. Ugh, I hate that. I hate it when it gets stuck on my buy line. It needs to drop below that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, you know you want to go clear down into this area. Look, see? The red over here is telling you to go down. That's what this red line right here is. It's an indication for you over here on the 1 minute to drop. Drop like a rock. Minus 32, minus 40. Man, this consolidation is just going up and down, up and down, up and down. It doesn't really break out. I need a breakout move. I need a breakout move down. But it's not. It is just wishy-washy. Just bouncing around. I don't like it when it's just bouncing around in here because then I don't make any money. I can't win or lose off of these. That's one of the things my coach told me is that you do not want to trade in consolidation, but it seems like whenever I get into the market, it just starts consolidating instead of making a breakout move up or making a breakout move down. The other thing I'm running up against is that 2 o'clock is when the Euro USD shuts down for the weekend. And so I'm running up against that clock as well. Since it's 12 noon, there's only 2 hours left. So it might not be a great time to trade on a Tuesday at noon because the market's going to be a little squirrely. But we're trying it. That's why we're here. We're here to learn. I'm at 22 minutes. Sorry, everybody. Oh, this is killing me. Come on. Now it's negative 44. Would this just drive you nuts, or would you be okay with it? I should just walk away. I should just walk in the other room and have my lunch and not even think about this. And then if it goes down and hits my take profit, great. If it goes up and it hits my stop loss, great. I don't have to sit here and worry about it every minute. But I don't know. I think you guys like to see the stress of day trading, and that's what this is. I'm showing you the stressfulness of day trading. Here we go. Negative 12. If we get in the pause, I think I'm just going to get out because this has already been 22 minutes. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Nice move. Nice move. 24. 24. Is he going to go further than 24? Should I just get out? I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I want to get to maybe 30 or so. 32. Oh, 38. Come on. Give me a big move down now. Just drop. Yes. 44. Drop like a rock. Come on. You know you have it in you. 9 seconds left. There we go. 48. Let's go. A little bit higher. 52. 60. Nice one. I think I'm going to get out at 60. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. 50. 60. Oh. Oh. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. I hit sell again instead of to close it. Dang it. I'm going to get out on that one. So I won 36 down on that one, but I've got another sell accidentally. Minus $24. Dang it. That is frustrating. Dang it. Now what am I going to do? Now I've just lost the $32 I just gained, $36, and now I've just lost the if I sell it right now, I hit the wrong button. Don't hit the wrong buttons, people. Know what you're doing. Get out of the market the right way. Dang it. Come on. At least drop down to 0. There we go. There we go. What are my indicators telling me? It's maybe still going down. We're already should be out of this trade because it's now below 2. So I don't know if it's going to continue down or not. Come on. Help me win some money here instead of losing it because of a stupid mistake. 40, 36. Come on. Drop down to 0. I'll sell it at 0. I will definitely sell it at 0. Just get me to 0. Ah! That stinks. That totally stinks. Come on. Well, you guys are here with me again to see what we're going to do. I had such a great, I was patient. It was a great move down. Look, I told it to make this big move, and it did. It did it for me, and then I get so excited. I hit the wrong buttons. Instead of selling or getting out of the trade, I hit another sell trade. A second sell trade. Well, what are we at here? So I got to move this down. I'm going to move it down to 35 again. And this one I'm going to bump up to take profit at, man, if it hits 10, I'm out. That's great. Get me out of that trade if it hits 10. Dang it. And of course, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. And so all that money and all that time, I just went for naught. I must say, though, it is still, I mean, the indicators are kind of still in my favor. This one, that one is not. That's headed up. This one is not. This red line is still on top. So there's a possibility. Look at that. Look at that. I like that. I like that move. Give me another move like that, and I will be happy, and we'll finish this video for everybody. The suspense is just killing me. Come on. Come on. You know you can do it. Come on. Come on. Another drop. 32 bucks. 32 bucks and 36. So I'm just barely, oh, there we go. 27, 32. So my previous was a $36 win, and now I'm at $32. So actually I could sell it right now, or close it, not sell it, close it right now and make a few dollars profit. But I want to get clear down to here again. 16. Oh, come on. 32, 27. It knows that I'm sitting on that 32. It knows, the market knows that I had $36. So it's like, no, I'm just going to hang around $30 and fake you out until you learn your lesson. $12. Maybe it's going to drop again. Man. It's so close. $12. I should just get out of this thing. I should just get out and lick my wounds. But I don't want to post a loss. I want to post a win. Let's post a win here. Let's post a win. Let's see, how much time do I have? It's been 28 minutes. Thanks, everybody, if you're still watching and you're along for the ride here. Dang, $40. I should have just... $36. So if I sell, or if I close it right now, I'd have a 0. I would have spent 28 minutes and post a 0. I don't want to do that. I want to post a win. Come on. Let's draw another line here. And let's do it like that. All right. Let's see if it'll break out lower or break up higher. We're hoping it breaks down. Sorry, everybody, this is taking so long. But I want you to see real life. This is not made up. This is real life, making mistakes. My indications are telling me the price is going to go up. The price is going to go up. This is my only saving grace here, that red is on top. So if it does not break down, I think I'm going to get out of this trade. I don't want to. Maybe I should move this down some more. I'm going to move down my stop loss. Move it down to 30. Boy. The closer it gets to 2 o'clock, the more nervous I get, because that's when kind of the market just slows to a crawl. You can tell the ATR is only 16, so there aren't any big moves left. They're all going to be small little moves, as you can tell. All these moves are getting so much smaller. One big move there, one big move there. So, look, it's coming to my triangle. It's coming down to my triangle. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Is it gonna go lower? Oh, it went lower. Hey, hey, 4. I think I'm gonna get out. I think I'm gonna get out. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Come on. 4, 0. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, dang it. I should have done it at 4. Ah, ah. Dang it. Now I'm back up to 32. Oh, I should have gone out. Oh, is it going to go above my line? Oh, I should have just done it. I should have just done it. Sorry, everybody. Oh, see that? Dang it. And now look. Ah, there you go. I just lost. Dang it. Ah. I had the opportunities. I had the opportunities to go out with a win, and I blew it. Anyway, that is day trading for you. I'm sorry I didn't win one today, but you get to see the stresses of trading on a day trade, and you get to see me make a mistake, which I just did, $120 mistake. Well, actually, minus 36, so it was only a 90-something dollar mistake. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you want to become a day trader, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, I learned from a company called Day Trading University, and I'll leave a link in the description. You just click on that link and it'll set you up with all of this, and you can learn how to do this day trading as well. It's pretty fun, a little bit stressful, but I really enjoy it. So thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time of Dumb Old Dad Day Trading.